Hello friends, good afternoon. This is AP Bhardwaj from Innovation Chandigarh. I'm here once again to share with you a good news in the present times of tension and anxiety, when the number of apprehensions and uncertainties are gripping your mind, especially regarding the new pattern and continuous postponement of CLAT, once again scheduled for 22nd August. The greatest and biggest query of the students is about the new pattern. I am here with the good news that I have come out with my long-awaited, much-awaited new edition of my book, Legal Aptitude Workbook. I have solved your problem and I have provided a new chapter, that is CLAT 2020 Legal Aptitude Sample Paper based on the proposed new pattern. Once you will go through this book, your tension will be relieved and your fears will be evaporated, and you will come to know that what type of questions will be asked in the CLAT 2020 and how to answer them and what are their answers. Answer keys provided at the end of the paper. And once you will go through this book, when you will find this book, you will go through this book. The book starts with a chapter on legal GK. It's an introductory chart, a ready reckoner for your last moment revision. But as you might have already gone through my book LALR, and you might have already mastered all the legal concepts, all the facts, all the figures, all the questions, around 7,000 to 8,000 questions provided in the book. Now this chart will be a refresher for you. It will refresh your concepts, it will strengthen your base, it will substantiate your concepts, and you will be able to retain both the components, legal awareness, legal reasoning comprising legal aptitude section, in just 50 to 60 pages. So it will not only refresh your concepts, it will enthuse you with a special sense of confidence, and it will enable you to solve the 3,000 questions provided therein with utmost ease and comfort. And the book also provides detailed analysis of CLAT and ALED along with legal aptitude previous year's questions from CLAT and ALED and full-length DU papers for 3-year students preparing for 3-year law entrances for DU, PU and BHU. Another greatest and biggest relief for 3-year law entrance test aspirants is the chapter on jurisprudence, which is being asked only for 3-year law entrances, especially DU and BHU and PU. And it deals about with the legal theory, that is with the law as a concept, its definition, its growth and its sources and functions, various schools of thought and various views of various thinkers and philosophers of law and jurists of law and judges in the judiciary about the law and its functions, and followed with around 400 questions, 300 something questions on jurisprudence. Then it starts with legal lexicon. Legal lexicon deals with the legal terms and legal maxims, around 400 questions, then 1,000 questions on constitutional law, then questions on civil law, criminal law, law of torts. Having gone through this book, you will feel quite confident and comfortable. And I think in the present times of lockdown and unlocks 1 and 2, and the times of tension, anxiety, panic and consternation, when your mind is getting engaged with apprehensions and uncertainty, this new book, the new edition of this book will be a great reliever for you. I hope you will be greatly benefited, and this book will be available in the market and the online platforms Amazon and Flipkart from the next week onwards. You can book your copy, you can order your copy, and you can get it, grab it and go through it. Just mug it up, just enjoy it, relish it, cherish it and celebrate it. You will go through the legal aptitude section based on the proposed new pattern and solving the CLAT 2020 paper. Legal aptitude sample paper will give you a great confidence and sense of comfortability, and I hope you will be greatly benefited. The book is quite economic, $450, and after discount you can get it at the rate of 400 or less than 400 from the market and on the online platform. I hope this book will be a great booster for you. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.